Keep or delete. Let's free up space on your Nikon Z9 memory card by removing specific photos without erasing everything. First, locate the playback button on your Nikon Z9. This is usually a circular button with a triangle icon. Press the playback button to enter review mode. You can then cycle through your photos using the directional buttons or the rear command dial. When you find a photo you want to delete, press the trash can icon button. This is typically located near the playback button. A confirmation screen will appear asking, "Erase this image." Navigate to yes using the directional buttons. Once yes is highlighted, press the OK button in the center of the directional pad to confirm the deletion. The image is now deleted. Your Nikon Z9 will automatically advance to the next photo in the sequence, making it easy to continue your review. Repeat this process for any other unwanted images. This allows you to selectively manage your photos and keep your important memories safe. And there you have it, a straightforward way to declutter your Nikon Z9's memory card without resorting to a full format. Keep shooting.